Good morning, all. Today we are going to see about top machine learning courses. So best for this year. So in this we are going to learn about what are the top learning. Top six machine learning courses in this year. So whatever the doubts, you can ask in the comments. Like and share and subscribe and support my channel. So I will upgrade my videos and I will update my videos regularly. So now we go to what are the courses are there. First course, introduction to machine learning. So machine learning is based on data scientist, ML engineer, GenA engineers. This type of roles they will expected, especially ML, deep learning, and NLP. Sometimes the computer version will become. If you are interested, the computer version will be. You can take it off. While computer version, you will ditto to take it as an what we can say as an driverless cars they are making and some other robotics areas. So this will be used for computer version. So now we're going to see about machine learning. Machine learning, the great learning is provided, but what the main thing is, you need to pay the certification fee. Okay, almost they'll charge us 2 to 50 rupees. If you are referring to friends, you will get up to discounts. The course will be automatically will be free. Okay, and if you are enrolled in any course, if you are enrolled in any course, they will conduct online virtual event. So if you're interested, you can participate it for career growth and based on SED roles and based on journey roles, whatever thing is. And next, simply learn. It's combined with skill up. So the machine learning with the Python, both this is a complete fee. This is a complete free. But what the main thing is, it is an intermediate level. If you want basic level, you need to go to from the first onwards. But this course is intermediate level basically. But the course structure was correctly. So what means the introduction, supervising, and recognition, classification, and embedded. And after that, you will get the certificate. And once getting before certification, they will be given assessment. Okay, they will be given as a assessment. So these 2025 machine learning courses will be reached on to 2026 also. Okay, because the next 2026 machine learning GenA engineers, AI engineers will be openings will be demand high. So those who are interested to become Gen AI developer, AI engineers, please take it this courses. Okay. If you are interested to pay, you can take it as a paid course also. This is Google Cloud. It's mean Google Cloud. Google Cloud training. They are offering the machine learning and artificial. They are both they are taken. Okay. These courses will be from beginner onwards, and after then beginning completing, and for the engineers. Okay, based on the how to deal the clouds, how the task, ML operations for generative AI, deploying for Vertex AI, Danglo CV. These are the excellent course, and you will get a certification. And another for bringing generative AI, they are they are taken as a Google Workspace. Another. Now these are the machine learning with AI path. Okay. If you're interested, you can go study the blogs and you can watch it the video series also in YouTube. Okay. And next, And next one, it's in a machine learning. Okay, machine learning in the free courses they are given by Upgrad also, but what the main thing is they are giving the paid course also. This is in a free course. While signing with a number, and you can start learning with the fundamentals of deep learning, artificial intelligence, real world, ChatGPT for developers, advanced prompt and ChatGPT, introducing generative AI. Okay, they will tell about the job openings, what you gain, what are the benefits they will given, and if you are interested to paid courses, these are the paid course. Sorry, this is paid course, and this one is free courses. Okay, and this one is free courses. So you can learn based on data science with the e-commerce certification. This is a free courses. You can learn and with an ambition learning also. Okay, and another IBM. IBM is providing the artificial intelligence free learning courses. And under the area, you can see the list of type of courses. You can start within course, and all the things they were providing the course certification with the badge. Okay, badge. At last, we say that totally top 6 courses. So this one is machine learning from Kaggle side. So these are the courses titles and courses. Whereas, so after completing, you will get a Kaggle badge, this type of badge, and the certification. Thank you. If you have further doubts, kindly put the comments. We will take it in next video. We will see you there. Thank you. If you need any consultation for career guidance or education consulting, please book at the top mat or pre-placed, and we can talk you there. Thank you.